Have you ever wondered how people are using AI to make money online even when they don't have advanced skills? Today, I'm breaking down 5 AI tools you can set up in minutes and how each one can help you earn from network marketing, affiliate marketing, online business, freelancing, and digital products. I'll walk you through simple step-by-step setups, real income examples, and how to use these tools to grow your income starting today. Welcome back to MLM Income Learning Network. This is the channel that teaches you how to make money online the right way. Before we jump in, like this video, comment AI money, and if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss content like this. Let's get into it. Tool number 1. AI video creation. This is perfect if you want to make money through content creation, affiliate marketing, or building your network marketing team with engaging short-form videos. How to set it up? Simple steps. 1. Go to CapCut.com and click Sign In with Google. 2. Click AI video or script to video. 3. Paste your script. 4. Choose a style: cinematic, vlog, minimal, or motivational. 5. CapCut will auto-generate clips, captions, transitions, and music. 6. Export in 1080p. How it makes you money. 1. Create faceless YouTube channels. 2. Create short-form videos for clients. 3. Create content that sells your affiliate links. 4. Make network marketing videos without showing your face. For network marketers and affiliates, use AI videos to explain your products. Use Reels to attract prospects. And make educational content that builds trust and authority. Comment video if you want me to give you 20 free faceless video ideas. Tool number 2. AI social media content creation. If you want to earn from managing pages, marketing products, or building an online brand, this tool is your new best friend. Setup steps. 1. Go to Notion.so and create a free account. 2. Activate Notion AI. 3. Create a workspace for content ideas, captions, scripts, and hashtags. 4. Use a prompt like generate 10 Instagram post ideas about financial literacy. 5. Go to Canva.com. Choose a template and paste your captions. 6. Schedule using Meta Business Suite or Hootsuite for free. How it makes you money. Become a social media manager. Create content for small businesses. Sell content packages and grow your own pages faster. For network marketers and affiliates, create educational posts about your niche. Use carousel posts to drive affiliate clicks. Build a consistent online presence without burning out. Create value posts that attract recruits and buyers. Comment content if you want a free 30-day content calendar. Tool number 3. AI Voiceovers. A fast-growing skill you can sell immediately. Setup steps. 1. Go to ElevenLabs.io and create a free account. 2. Click Voice Library. 3. Select a voice you like. 4. Paste your script. 5. Adjust speed and emotion. 6. Generate and download the MP3. How it makes you money. Voiceovers for YouTube channels, audiobooks, TikTok and Instagram voiceovers, Fiverr gigs, and video ads. For network marketers and affiliates, create voiceover videos promoting your product. Make storytelling videos without showing your face. Create automated welcome audios. Record scripts for your team training system. Comment voice if you want 20 voiceover scripts you can use today. Tool number 4. AI ebook creation. Ebooks are one of the easiest digital products to sell for passive income. Setup steps. 1. Ask ChatGPT. Create a 6-chapter outline for a beginner guide on saving money. 2. Expand each chapter. 3. Go to Canva and search ebook templates. 4. Replace the text with your content. 5. Export to PDF. 6. Sell on Gumroad, Seller, Etsy, Paystack Store. How it makes you money. Sell ebooks, turn them into mini courses, use them as lead magnets, and sell templates. For network marketers and affiliates, create a free guide that attracts prospects. Example, how to start an online side hustle. Give the guide away and collect emails and promote your affiliate link. Create training guides for your downline. Comment ebook if you want 20 ebook topic ideas. Tool number 5. AI automations. The skill that businesses are desperate for in 2025. Setup steps. 1. Go to Zapier.com and sign up for free. 2. Pick an automation called a Zap. 3. Connect your apps, Gmail, Google Sheets, Notion, and Meta Pages. 4. Choose your trigger. New lead from form or new TikTok follower. 5. Choose your action. Send a welcome email, add contact to list, or notify you on WhatsApp. 6. Turn on the Zap. 7. Test it. How it makes you money. Set up automation for small businesses, email workflows, lead delivery, content automation, and CRM setup. For network marketers and affiliates, automatically send new leads a welcome message. Collect emails with free guides. Deliver product info without manually typing. Follow-ups without forgetting. And auto-post content across platforms. Comment, automate if you want templates to sell automation services. These 5 AI tools can help you make money faster and with less stress. Whether you're into network marketing, affiliate marketing, content creation, or online business, you don't need to be techy. You don't need expensive software. You just need the willingness to learn and take action. If you want me to create a free downloadable manual for all 5 tools, comment AI Blueprint and I'll drop it in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.